And I think that this is what the program gave me, was a strategy. It was a how to do all of the things that I needed to do to be successful in landing my first job. I started with a 5-day challenge, and I was going through the trail. And as I went through the trail, I realized that there was a lot of functionality that I would love to have in my previous role. So basically, while I was starting the trail, the role that I was at that point within a higher ed institution, I thought to myself, there are so many things within Salesforce that would be beneficial to my role, to others, including marketing, finance, even reporting, right? All the amazing dashboards that you can build. And so I started to really apply what I was learning to my job. And I thought, this would be great. It would be great, one, because I could learn this amazing platform, and two, it just makes everyone's job so much easier. So it's something that I want to learn, and that for me was the reason why I decided to join the program. In addition to that, I didn't know this before I decided to join, but now that I'm in it, the community has been absolutely wonderful. We have study groups that we can join at whatever time or time zone. We have and they post so many different resources. People have access to internships that may not be available publicly, which is amazing. So I think for me in the beginning, it was really, I found the platform so easy to use, and it could really help people in different departments in their roles. I saw how easily it could be applied to streamline processes within my own organization. And I thought to myself, this is what I want to learn, and this is what I want. I need this to propel my career going forward. Being part of the FIRE community, I listen to podcasts, I read a ton of books, and one of the podcasts that I listen to is Choose FI with Brad and Jonathan. I actually had the opportunity to meet them in Richmond, Virginia. I used to live there, so I had the opportunity to meet them. And in one of their episodes, Bradley was on, and he spoke about Salesforce and the opportunities that a Salesforce career gave to individuals. And specifically for me, the biggest was being location independent. I did not want to be tied to a specific location or market. So being independent of wherever I could live was fabulous. So working from home, remote work, also the ability to either work for a company or freelance consult, I thought spoke to me because it gave me, again, more opportunities, more choices. And so I think that for me, I'm a person that loves to grow, and having the ability to choose my path, choose where I want to be in the world was amazing. And so that's how I heard about the program, and that's definitely why I joined. I was really following along and updating my LinkedIn, being really active in LinkedIn. I was also doing all of the trails on the Salesforce platform. And so by having that activity, by posting the badges that I had, by commenting on others within the community, recruiters started to see that. And as soon as I started doing that, I started getting a lot of messages from recruiters. And one particular company reached out to me, and they really were able to tie my past experience with this new Salesforce experience that I had. And then in addition to that, I was so enthusiastic about Salesforce. And so tying those pieces together, I was a perfect fit for them. 6 months prior, I wasn't involved in any community. I wasn't really involved in updating my LinkedIn profile. Even my picture wasn't as good. And so I think all of those elements, just being active within the community, updating my LinkedIn, and then participating and contributing, adding resources. I think all of that made me a great candidate. And that's what recruiters were looking for, somebody that was enthusiastic, active, and also had the experience, which I was able to show primarily on LinkedIn. I actually did not apply for this job. The recruiter sought me out. In fact, all of the jobs that I have looked at, and there haven't been very many because I am picky, they came to me, and it was specifically because I had activity on LinkedIn. And of course, I had prior experience in the industry that they were recruiting for. Basically, the company that I'm working for now is a consulting company, and they have 3 verticals, one of those verticals being higher ed. And so they have me working with their higher ed division, ensuring that their implementation of Salesforce is going smoothly. So I just wanted to make that distinction that they sought me. I didn't necessarily apply for this position. My husband and I, we are frugal. I mean, not terribly frugal, but we really had to think about if it was worth it, if the ROI was there. And it did cross my mind whether or not I could do this on my own, whether I could go to the trail, study, and get certified. But I will say that when I first learned about Salesforce, that's how I was thinking about it. I would go on the trail, get certified, and get a job. But I think what's different about the program is that, yes, I'm on the trail and I'm learning, and I'm going through the different modules and getting super badges, but I didn't have a framework, right? I didn't have a strategy, really. And I think that this is what the program gave me, was a strategy. It was a how to do all of the things that I needed to do to be successful in landing my first job. And although me, for example, I could tell my friends and family, like, oh, go to the trail, update your LinkedIn, do all these things. I think when you're immersed in the community, and when you're interacting with others and when you're studying together, I think it feels different. Like I feel even, and I've only been in the program at 3 months, and 3 or 4 months. And I feel like I am in the Salesforce ecosystem. Like I feel like I know enough to go and set up an org and maybe create a small app. And so, and I'm not sure if I would have gotten at that in the small time frame if I did it on my own. And so I'm really grateful for that. The community, the study groups, all of that. I think that's what made it piece it together for me. I think that when it comes to investing, and when it comes to investing in yourself, I consider those two things the same, in that you have to start immediately to reap the rewards, so that you have that compound interest, if you will, happening right away. And so, like investing, when you invest in yourself, the sooner you do it, the better. For example, if I thought about this 6 months later, or enrolled in it 6 months later, the role that I have now may not have been available. Sure, I think eventually I would have gotten something else, but I think the role that I have now is perfect for me, and I'm so grateful for it. And it wouldn't have happened if I didn't start. Not immediately, because again, my husband and I did think about this, because we are part of the FIRE community and we do consider every single dollar that we spend. But I'm really glad that we took the leap and that I joined the program, because it's helped me a lot. And again, like investing, when you invest in yourself, you have to start as soon as possible, because then the compounding effects, that compound interest starts to happen. And I'm excited about it. I'm in a role now that a year from now, I'm going to be a completely different candidate. And it's because I started now.